Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is me, Maria Hassan, with class number 22, and I have been to assign a topic of coronavirus by respected Ma'am Afia. This is the general outline of my presentation, which I will discuss one by one. First, I will start from the definition. Definition of coronavirus: a mild to severe respiratory illness that is caused by coronavirus is transmitted chiefly by contact with infectious materials such as respiratory droplets and is characterized especially by fever, cough, and shortness of breath and may progress to pneumonia and respiratory failure. Now comes to introduction. Coronaviruses belongs to family of RNA viruses in the nidovirales order. Coronaviruses are the significant viral pathogens in humans and animals that can cause significant disease. Corona prefix comes from the Latin word for crown because the viruses have crown-like appearance. History of infections: SARS, MARS, 2019, novel coronavirus. SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. This occurred in 2002 and 2003. It is started in Guangdong province of China. SARS is beta coronavirus transmitted from bats to civettes to humans. This began in February 2003 and outbreak lasted until July 2003. There were more than 8,000 total cases, 774 deaths, fatality rate of 9.6%. MERS, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. It is occurred in 2012. MERS started in Saudi Arabia. It is also beta coronavirus transmitted from camels to humans. There were more than 2,400 cases recorded, 858 deaths. Fatality rate is 34.4%. The newest comes 2019 novel coronavirus. This virus occurred in the year 2019 and this started in Wuhan, the city of Hubei province of China, and it is the seventh coronavirus found to cause illness in humans. It is novel beta coronavirus transmitted from snakes, but more evidence is suggesting that it is transmitted from bats. The viral genome. Coronavirus are enveloped single-stranded RNA viruses. They are host-specific. They consist of a core of genetic material enveloped with protein spikes. This gives it the appearance of a crown. Clinical features: incubation period 2 to 14 days. Symptoms of coronaviruses are fever, dry cough, shortness of breath, sore throat, headache, nausea and vomiting, nasal congestion, diarrhea, hemoptysis. Cause of death. Cause of death is due to complication like cytokine storm syndrome, severe acute respiratory distress syndrome, fulminant myocarditis. Transmission. Coronavirus can be transmitted from person to person, spread from contact with contaminated surfaces or objects. Groups most at risk are close contact with animals, caring for those with infections such as family members or healthcare workers. Diagnosis. How we can diagnose the coronavirus? We can diagnose coronaviruses through PCR, polymerase chain reaction, or genetic fingerprint. Treatment. No specific medication. Supportive care, no vaccine, treatment and vaccines are in development. Prevention, how we can prevent ourselves from coronavirus. Covering mouth and nose with tissue when you are sneezing or coughing. Avoiding close contact with those who are sick. Mask and personal protective equipments, especially in healthcare setting. Washing your hands regularly with soap and water, or using alcohol based hand rub, or using sanitizer daily. Thank you.